Stop what you're doing. OpenAI just raised $40 billion, one of the biggest AI funding rounds on record.
Wow.
This isn't just another startup headline. This is a power move that could redraw the AI map for the next decade.
Okay.
Today, I'm breaking down what happened, who's behind it, what this monumental sum of money actually buys, and why it could change the way you work, build, and invest, starting right now. Here's the jaw dropper. At a $300 billion valuation, OpenAI is now worth more than many publicly traded software giants.
Incredible.
And the investor list? SoftBank is leading the round with a massive check, joined by its key partner, Microsoft, and financial titans like Blackstone and TPG.
So the heavy hitters.
That combination isn't a random assortment of backers. It signals a global bet on AI as industrial-scale infrastructure, not just another app. The entire playing field just tilted. So what does a $40 billion war chest actually buy? The simple answer is compute, mountains of it.
Right.
But let's be more specific. We're talking about multi-year, locked-in GPU contracts that competitors just can't get. We're talking about the resources to co-design custom accelerator chips, secure proprietary access to high-bandwidth memory, and sign power deals that lock in megawatts of electricity for years.
Wow.
The translation for you and me? Faster training cycles, much larger context windows, more reliable AI agents, and a dramatically shorter time from research paper to product release. With this funding, OpenAI's roadmap just got hyper-aggressive.
Yeah?
Expect an accelerated model cadence, so we're likely to see the first models in the GPT-5 class emerge by late 2025.
Okay.
Beyond that, expect a wave of highly specialized agents for sales, customer support, and coding, and a full suite of enterprise-grade features. Think immutable audit logs, strict data residency controls, and zero-retention privacy options.
That's serious.
This is the definitive signal that OpenAI is moving far beyond a hobbyist tool and executing a full-blown platform strategy. But why pour this much capital into the market right now? I mean, in technology, timing is everything.
Right.
We are at the steep part of the exponential curve. Model performance is compounding at a shocking rate, enterprise pilots are finally converting into large-scale deployments, and the total addressable market is revealing itself to be, well, almost everything.
Everything.
It stretches from search and productivity to drug discovery, customer operations, software development, and creative work. The bet is simple. Whoever controls the foundational compute and the primary distribution channels will control the profit margins of the next technological era. Let's talk about moats. A real, durable moat in AI isn't just a slightly better model, which can be replicated. The true moats are the data flywheels, the distribution network, and deep workflow integration.
Okay.
With over 500 million users on ChatGPT, OpenAI has the world's most powerful data flywheel.
Yeah.
Through its partnership with Microsoft, it's already integrated into countless enterprise workflows. This funding round is about pouring concrete into that moat, building tighter SDKs, deeper security and compliance integrations, and offering service-level agreements that a CIO can confidently sign. Make no mistake, hardware is the new battleground of AI.
Absolutely.
Everybody wants more GPUs, but only a select few can secure them at scale.
You're right.
With this cash, OpenAI doesn't have to wait in line. It can pre-buy entire production runs, commit to multi-year supply from NVIDIA and others, and even fund R&D to co-design inference-optimized models that could cut its own serving costs by 30 to 50%.
That's huge.
That is precisely how you turn a bleeding-edge science project into a scalable business with healthy gross margins. In this new era, safety and compliance aren't just nice-to-haves. They are the absolute gatekeepers to enterprise revenue.
Okay.
This investment will absolutely go toward building a fortress of trust.
Makes sense.
Expect massive budgets for formal evaluations and red teaming, sophisticated incident response playbooks, and a suite of governance features designed to satisfy the most demanding auditors. If you want those 9-figure Fortune 500 contracts, you have to prove you are safe, traceable, and ready for work in regulated industries like finance and healthcare. What about the open versus closed debate? The likely strategy is both.
Oh, interesting.
OpenAI will almost certainly continue to develop its flagship closed model as the premium, trusted, high-performance option, but at the same time, expect them to release controlled open-weight or specialized models to seed the ecosystem.
The best of both worlds.
This hybrid approach is brilliant. It fuels community adoption, multiplies the number of use cases discovered by the market, and ultimately funnels the most serious high-value customers back to their paid enterprise-grade stack. The talent wars are officially back on. This funding round is a weapon.
Yeah.
It means massive signing bonuses, huge equity refreshes for the current team, and a war chest for acqui-hires.
Wow.
Keep an eye out for a spree of small, innovative research teams and agent-based startups getting absorbed by OpenAI. The message to the world's top AI researchers and engineers is loud and clear. Come here, and your life's work will ship at planet scale.
Interesting.
Shifting gears, the go-to-market engine is about to level up. This funding enables deeper channel partnerships, prime listings on cloud marketplaces like Microsoft Azure, and the ability to offer bundled credits and turnkey reference architectures.
So making it easier to buy.
If you're a CIO, this means procurement just got a lot simpler.
Right.
If you're a startup founder, it means OpenAI's APIs are about to get cheaper to experiment with and a lot stickier as you begin to scale your business. And what does this all mean for customers? The early case studies are already compelling. Customer support teams see time to resolution plummet, sales teams see lead conversion rates rise, and engineering teams see code velocity jump with AI pair programmers. With this new funding, you can expect OpenAI to roll out dedicated customer success teams, vertical-specific solution templates, and clear ROI dashboards that make the renewal decision a complete no-brainer for CFOs. Now, let's talk risk, because there is plenty of it.
Always.
A $40 billion investment comes with immense pressure. Compute burn rates can spiral out of control.
Yeah.
Model parity is a real threat as competitors catch up, and it's possible for a company with better distribution to outmaneuver one with slightly better research.
Good point.
If OpenAI fails to consistently translate its model advancements into cheaper, faster, and safer outcomes for customers, then all this capital just bought the world's most expensive science fair. Here's the numbers to watch over the next 18 months. First, their revenue run rate.
Okay.
If you hear reports of them crossing a $10 billion annual run rate by the end of 2025, the commercial engine is firing. Second, gross margin on inference.
The profitability.
If that number starts climbing above 70%, they've cracked the code on profitable scaling. And third, net dollar retention.
Right.
If their NDR stays north of 140%, it means customers aren't just staying, they're spending significantly more over time. If these three metrics hit, the business model is working. But the signals behind the scenes tell the real story.
Okay.
Track the public records and industry rumors about their GPU purchase orders, watch for announcements on new data center reservations,
It's a hardware trail.
monitor their hiring velocity, especially for infrastructure and safety engineers. Most importantly, watch their release cadence. If they start shipping major new features and models faster, without major outages, it proves they are mastering both cutting-edge research and operational reliability, the rarest and most valuable combination in AI today. Expect immediate ripple effects across the entire industry.
I bet.
Competitors like Anthropic, Google, and others will be under immense pressure to launch their own mega funding rounds.
An arms race.
Cloud providers will sweeten their credit deals to lure developers, and the M&A market is about to heat up. Companies in vector databases, evaluation platforms, data labeling, and agent orchestration are now prime acquisition targets. The AI market just got a powerful new center of gravity. There's a geopolitical subplot here as well.
Oh.
Issues like semiconductor export controls, data localization laws, and regional energy constraints are real bottlenecks to growth.
Right.
A key use of this capital will be to navigate these challenges. If you see OpenAI announcing new multi-region hosting capabilities, sovereign cloud instances for specific governments, and long-term power purchase agreements, it means they are skating to where the puck is going, not just where it is today. For the developers, the builders, the creators, this is your moment.
Okay.
For when OpenAI needs you.
Yeah.
Expect more generous free tiers and rate limits on their APIs, much better tooling and documentation, and grant programs for promising startups. The quickest way to turn $40 billion in funding into market dominance is to enable an army of builders. If their APIs get simpler and their docs get sharper, the ecosystem will do the selling for them. So here's the bull versus the bear case in 20 seconds.
Well, let's hear it.
The bull case. This capital secures a near insurmountable lead in compute, which accelerates research and allows them to capture the enterprise market, compounding their advantage into durable, long-term margins.
Okay.
The bear case. The tech commoditizes faster than they can innovate, Runaway costs destroy margins, and a new architectural shift, perhaps on-device AI, leaves them out of the loop. The winner will be decided by execution, especially on distribution and cost control. So, should you care? Absolutely.
Right.
Whether you're a founder, an investor, a developer, or an executive at a major corporation, this round resets the scoreboard for the entire industry. Watch the next 90 days for 3 specific signals. First, the announcement of a major new Fortune 100 customer. Second, a leak or report indicating their inference margins are rising. And third, a new model release that is demonstrably a full step ahead of the competition. If those 3 things land, then today's stock ring headline will become tomorrow's market reality. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about.
Okay.
Does this level of capital concentration in a single company accelerate progress for everyone, or does it risk creating a monopoly that could stifle the very innovation it was funded to create?